Welcome back to the Logarithms lecture number 3. In this lecture, we solve some problems. The question is, find the value of log of 512 to the base 2. Well, let's see how to solve this. So we have to find the value of the last case. See how to expand. Now we are finding out the value of log of 512 to the base 2. For this, what we do is, look at the base. The base is 2. So express this 512 as a power of 2. So if you factorize this 512, what we get? We see 2 2s, 2 5s, 2 6, again 2 1s, 2s, 8s, 2 6 4s, 2 3s, 2 16s, 2 8s. This is 2 cube anyway. 2 4s, 2 2s. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Look at again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can write it as log of 2 power 9 to base 2 equals to 9 into log of 2 power 2. Here we have applied log of a power m to base x, we say, equals to m log a to base x. Now this equals to 9 into 1. It is log of a number to the same base is 1. This, since what we have is log a to base a is 1. So hence the answer is 9. So you can look at the workout. If you want, please copy down this. Now we see another question. It says simplify log of 243 to base 9. So here also we need to find out the value of log 243 to the base 9. So we write here log of 243 to base 9. This problem can be done in two ways. Anyway, we see the first way. It is, let's see, this 243. We see that will be divisible by 3, 8's 1. So this is 9 9 means 3 square into 3 square. Or say 7 9 3 3 1 2 3 4 5. So equals to what? Log of 3 to power of 5 to base 9. And this will be equal to pi log 3 to base 9. Since this apply log of x power m base a is equals to m log x base a. Now, this is also equals to pi log of 3 square 3. So this directly we can write formula, it is log of x to the power of x power m is equals to 1 upon m log of x to base x. If you take here a, will be a. So log of a to base x power n is nothing but 1 upon n log of a to base x. How we got this? We have once again log of a to base x power m is equals to 1 upon m log of a to base x again. We got this rule. You see here. Suppose here we have log a to x power m. So by base change rule, you can write this as 1 upon log of x power m into it is base and the number gets interchange. And this is nothing but equals to 1 upon m log x base a. Again we apply base change rule. So 1 upon m into log of base change rule for this log x will say so log a to base x. So what we got is log of a x power n to the base is nothing but 1 upon m. This log a to base x power m is nothing but 1 upon m log a to base x. So directly applying this formula log a to base x power m is equal to 1 by m log a to base x. So what you are having here equals to this pi stands as it is. Now we are applying this formula to this. Log a is 3, x is also 3 and m is 2. So 1 upon m means 1 upon 2 is into 1 by 2. A log a, that is a is 3, base x is 3 only. Now we get pi upon 2 into log of 3 to 3, base 3. The log a to base a is 1. So this is 1. Nothing but pi upon 2, which gives us the answer equals to 2.5. Once again, you can see your formula. Log 243 to base 9 is written as log of 3 power 5 to base 9. This is pi log 3 to base 9. So here we have apply log of x power m. Base a is nothing but m log x to base a and equals to pi log here 3 as it is and 9 is taken as 3 square. And applied this formula log a to base x power m is nothing but 1 upon m log a to base x. So here pi into, so this m is 1, there is 2 we are taking as 1 upon m is 1 by 2, and then log 3 to base 3, which is nothing but 1. So 5 upon 2 into 1. So what you get is 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. Let's look at another problem. Find the value of 243 to log of 243 to base 3. Log of 243 to base 3. As in the previous case, we express this 243 in terms of the power of this base number 3, if possible. So 243 on factorizing the 3 8s 1. So we have this 9 9s, so there is nothing but 3 square and 3 square. So there is 3 power 4 and 3 power 5. So 3 equals to 3 power 5. So equals to log of 3 power 5 to base 3 is equal to 5 log 3 to base 3 is equals to 5 into 1 is nothing but equal to 5. That's what we have. Now look at this question. If log of x square minus 4x plus 2 to base 2 is equals to 2, find x. What you are given? Log of x square minus 4x plus 2 to base 2 is equal to 2. And you need to find the value of x. Therefore, in order to find the value of x, we have to solve. We have to get the equation in x. Unless and until you get an equation in x, you can't solve it. So you need to avoid this logarithm. So use the definition of logarithm. What does it say? If a power n equals to x, then what we have is log x equal to the base a is n. So it's given. Go in the reverse way. Here x takes whole thing here. So we'll take it as capital X in order to avoid your confusion. So this is of x. This capital X is this one, x square minus 4x plus 2, and base a is 2, and here n is 2. Then a power n. A, what is a? It's a base 2. Base 2. 2 power n. It is 2 power 2 is equals to 2 power 2 is equals to x, that is the x square minus 4x plus 2. So therefore, by the definition of logarithm, what do you get? Get that? What do you get here? A power n equal to x, that is a. What is a here? A power n is equal to x. The base 2 power n, that is 2, equals to, that is, we can say now here, this is n and this is a and this is capital X. So a power n means 2 power 2 is equals to capital X, that is x square minus 4x plus 2. So this 4 equals to x square minus 4x plus 2. This in turn implies a continue completely interchanging. X square minus 4x plus 2 is equals to 4 we get. So in turn implies x square minus 4x plus, we have 2. When you bring this 4 this side, it will become minus 4 and equal to 0. in turn implies x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is what we got. To solve this equation, it's not easy to factorize 2, and the coefficient of x square is 1, 2, 1, 2, you are getting. So then, better go quadratic equation, x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2b. Where here a is the coefficient of x square 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 2. So for x equals to minus b, minus of minus 4, plus or minus root of b square minus 4 whole square minus 4a 1 c minus 2 5 2 into a 1. Now further simplification, use 4 plus or minus root of 16 4 once 4 into minus 2 minus of minus plus 8 by 2 equals to 4 plus or minus 24 by 2 equals to 4 plus or minus, can say, root of 4 into 6 by 2. This 4 plus or minus 2 root 6 square root of 4 by 2. Can take 2 as common factor, 2 plus or minus root 6 by 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, left with 2 plus or minus root 6. This is the answer. Okay. Now, the same way you take this problem as homework, and please work out by yourself. If log x square minus 4x plus c, it is 7, to base 2 is equals to 2. Find the value of x. Can see here. Now let us look at this question. Find the value of a square plus b square if log of a plus b whole square is equals to log 9 plus log a plus log b. So this we have to find the value of a square plus b square. You are given log of a plus b whole square is equals to log 9 plus log a plus log b. So we have the product rule. Log ab is equal to log a plus log b. This equals to log 9 ab. Since log of ABC, it is using the product rule, equals to log a plus log b plus log c. Now, therefore, what we got is log of a plus b whole square is equal to this. This is 10, nothing is given, this is taken as 10. Taking the inverse logarithm, that is exponential function, is raising both the sides to power of e. The log can be cancelled, that is we get a plus b whole square is equals to 9ab. So in turn implies a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to 9ab. So this again implies 9ab minus 2ab. A square plus b square is equal to 7ab. This is your answer. A square plus b square is 7ab. Now let us look at this problem once again. So started from log of a plus b whole square. It is a given thing is equals to log 9 plus log a plus log b. So log 9 into a into b. There is line ab. We got log of log abc can be written as log a plus log b plus log c. There is product in some row. So here a plus b whole square is equal to 9ab. You got here. So you may be confusing here how the log has been cancelled. So for that, you remember the rule that is log of x to base, suppose it's b, and equals to log of y, or say y to base b. These bases are same. Then what you get is x equals to y. So once again I repeat, log x to base b is equal to log y to base b, then x is equal to y. So this rule have been applied for this problem. So log of a plus b whole square is equal to 9ab. Sure, base is 10, base is 10. Nothing is there means the base is taken as 10. So a plus b whole square is equal to 9ab. On expanding this a plus b whole square, we got a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 9ab. And then a square plus b square is equals to taking 2ab, that is from left hand side to right hand side, transposing this. We get minus 2ab here. So 9ab minus 2ab, 7ab. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square is nothing but 7ab. It's 7. So note down this formula also. Now let's look at one more problem. That is write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. So very easy. How? 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 can be written as log of 3 square plus log of 5 cube minus log of 2 power 5. Right? Since we have the reverse of log a power m is equal to m log a. So this is in the form of m log a, that is a log a power m. This is the form of m log a. So we are writing it as log of a power m. Log of a power m. So this is nothing but log of 9 plus log of 125 plus log 2 to power of 5. 2 power 5. What you get is log of 32. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, the product rule. Log of 9 into 125 into 32. What you get here? We multiply this. So, here is minus. So, we take this minus. Hence, this comes in the denominator, a by b form. So we remove this and minus log of 32, so equals to log of 9 into 125. We multiply, we get 1, that is 1125, and this is log 32. So going to be log of 1125 by 32, since we have log of a by b is equals to log a minus log b. So this is the single number.